focus. So my example is, Prof. Madam Puta was very busy presenting his lesson for the day. In the midst of his discussion, he had noticed one of his students was sleeping. Instead of scolding that certain student, Prof. Madam Puta continued with his lesson. After the class, Prof. Madam Puta secretly talked to the student and asked him why he was sleeping during the class. The student frankly answered that he had difficulties with the subject, that's why he chose to sleep rather than to listen. Prof. Madam Puta understood the side of the student and he had made some adjustments with his teaching style. Being a sensitive teacher helps Prof. Madam Puta to reach out the needs of his students as well as help students who participate actively during classes and to prevent any form of environment that would trigger the learning of the students.
Okay, so that brings the message to you, no? Okay. So talking by making